Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add signature in Outlook with logo. In order to do this, we're going to go over to our Outlook as we have it open, and here at the top left corner you have home, and we're going to click on new. We're going to say new mail, and then we're going to have the edit pane right here. At the top right corner you could expand it to open in a new window, and then it's going to look like this. And after writing the recipient, the subject of the mail, you want to put in your signature at the bottom of your message. So we're going to go to the top ribbon where we have some options. We have signature. We're going to click on the drop down and click on signatures. And then here it says create and edit signatures. We're going to click new signature. We're going to give this editor's signature. And then we're going to put in some details here. As you can see, we have sincerely Mike Walt editor. We're going to click on save. And then when we scroll down, we have some options right here. We have the option to insert a picture in line. We're going to click on it, and we'll need to select a picture from our local drive. So we've been taken to our file folder, and under downloads, we're going to click on this picture, click on open. As you can see, it's really large, and what we're going to do is to resize it right now. We can click on it. Of course, we could enlarge this. And then we're going to click on the image, reduce it a bit. And there you have it. And then we have this gap right here. We're going to go over to where we have the editor and then click delete to delete the space. And then click on save. And then before clicking on save at the bottom, you're going to decide where these signatures will be placed. For new messages, you could use editor's signature. For replies and forwards, you could use editor's signature. Click on save and then close this. And then we're going to try to draft another one. And then we're going to go over to signature once again, select editor's signature, and there you have it. Sincerely, Mike Walt editor, and then we have our logo. You can write your message, and the signature with logo will follow your message. So this is how to add a signature in Outlook with logo.